Number 1.
So the Z-Line and what Andy and the team have done here is absolutely amazing. I think we're finding attainable luxury here because when you get something that says it's the best, it doesn't need to be the most expensive, it needs to operate the best. What Z-Line provides the home cooks is exactly that. You're getting an unbelievable product at a great price and you're all able to kind of perform on it, right? The same way I rely on my professional ranges and our professional equipment. If I turn on the dishwasher, it works and it does it really well and it does it quiet, right? There's so many different configurations and looks you can get out of it. But really that part is the fun part for the designer. But as a professional chef at home, you're getting power, you're getting precision, and you're really getting probably the best products that I've ever seen. Powerage, and what does this grate look like and what does that grate look like? I mean, the innovation is probably second to none that I've seen out there.
Number 2.
There is nothing quite like home sweet home. Compromising between beautiful, high-quality appliances that last and a price point that is fair is a thing of the past. Cosmo was founded with a rebellious spirit and an ambitious goal to bring you the premium luxury appliances of your dreams at a revolutionary price. We take pride in designing in-house for expert manufacturing, top-of-the-line parts, and luxury aesthetics. Enduring test after test in a lab, what we build was made to last. Expect cooking, cooling, and cleaning experiences that make life easier and brighten up your home. Constructed with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost care, Cosmo appliances support what truly matters, turning a house into a home. Cosmo is there for all of life's moments, passing down generations of delicious secret family recipes, helping Grandma bake her famous Christmas sugar cookies, and surprising your daughter on her birthday with her favorite homemade chocolate cake. We're right behind you when you need us. Cosmo means beautiful appliances that get things done right, so you can enjoy priceless family moments for years to come. A better home starts.
Number 3.
Blumlein JU3200 is a combination convection steam oven that allows you to cook like never before. Still having trouble choosing between a steam oven or a convection oven? Blumlein is the best of both worlds. A traditional steam oven can heat up your food quickly and keep it moist, but your food may come out soggy. On the other hand, a convection oven may produce a crispy, evenly browned result, but can leave your food dry and hard to swallow. Blumlein perfectly combines steam and convection functions to give you shorter cooking times and moist, juicy food with a crispy exterior. So what makes Blumlein JU3200 so special? It's your perfect 10-in-1 kitchen solution. Steam, high-temperature steam, grill, convection, combi, preheat, defrost, fermentation, sterilize, and descale functions all in one convenient package. The generous interior space measures 1.14 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 3.5-pound chicken, a 10-inch pizza, an 8-inch chiffon cake, 18 egg tarts, 16 chicken wings, and even a large tomahawk cut of steak. Instead of the 80 to 120 minutes max steam time of other brands, cooking could be extended to approximately 180 minutes with a full reservoir of Blumlein, thanks to its advanced Air Plus technology. This feature also guarantees less steam would be expelled from the oven during cooking, which provides better protection for your kitchen cabinets. A 304 stainless steel interior, anti-scald 3-layer glass door with aluminum handle, and the removable upper stainless steel heating element make this oven safe and durable. Cooking a gorgeous meal for your whole family with Blumlein steam convection oven is simple and easy. Now, enjoy moist, crispy, and most important, healthy food with the Blumlein steam convection oven.